Protocol Builder, network programming made easy. In most network applications, we have a server and some clients want to connect to it to exchange some kind of data. Clients connect to the server using its IP or name and the application port. The listener in the server will answer the clients at the first instance. The listener initializes the connections with the client connection objects and spawns a new thread for each client. These threads will execute the code of the server connection objects. Each server connection communicates with its client using a new random port and exchanges data as required. All server connections log their activities using the same logger object. Each client connection will have its own logger, and the listener will have its own logger as well. Now on, client and server connections will manage the connection and they will be responsible for dropping it, although the listener has the ability to abort all server connections in some special cases depending on the application scenario. From programming point of view, we will have a client connection class, server connection class, listener class, logger class, and the classes to represent all kinds of packets. Speaking about packets, we have 4 types of packets. Request packets are sent from client to server only. Response packets are sent from server to client only. Two-way packets are sent from server to client or from client to server. Event packets are sent from client to server only. All generated packets will have the illustrated tree. To build your TCP protocol using .NET Protocol Builder and generate its code in C#, first of all you have to determine the data you want to exchange between clients and server. Then build packets you decided by adding packets to the suitable node in .NET Protocol Builder. Right-click on the node and select Add Packet, or use Ctrl-A after selecting the suitable node. Add your fields to the packets you already added, and change the type of the field according to your design. Available field types are byte, all kinds of integers, double, datetime, string, and an array of bytes. In the last 2 cases, you can set the maximum expected length. However, the generated protocol will send the actual data only. When you are done, generate the code for your protocol by selecting Tools, Generate Code, or press Ctrl-G. .NET Protocol Builder will prompt you to select a path where the protocol files will be saved. Congratulations! Your protocol code is ready. The generated files are the classes illustrated here. Using these classes is very easy and straightforward. Refer to server client sample code in the help file or on our website for more info. At the end, generate your protocol documentation by selecting Tools, Generate Protocol Documentation. You need to have Microsoft Word 2007 for this option. Otherwise, use your text documentation which is generated by default with the protocol code. Thanks for watching. Protocol Builder, network programming made easy.